something. Okay, a lot of motivational courses out there, they are just focusing on the rah-rah part. But the difference between Eugene's program, it is very practical, it is relevant, and it completes our work.
I think the mental toughness workshop led by Eugene, right, is actually a lot more collaborative. That is the one difference that I actually really enjoyed.
In fact, after the completion of the program, I can see most of my team members, they are actually much more charged up, and feel like they are prepared to take on the world.
My senior consultant has become a brand new self. All right, they not only talk about winning mentality, but I can see that they also concerned about the competitive edge.
Hi, my name is Eugene. I'm known as the mental toughness expert. I specialize in this area where I teach people how to get strong in their mind in order for them to reach their goals, but not just reach their goals, rise above them, to thrive in these current times, to rise above all their challenges, and to use that as a platform for them to get to the next level. Most of us look at mental toughness as something that's developed when you go through challenge. But the thing is, mental toughness can be taught as a system before you go through challenge.
To be very honest, initially I was thinking to myself, wow, a 4-day program, it's gonna be probably a very tedious one. Surprisingly, when I went to Eugene's program, it was very well paced. And the whole program was actually very engaging, and time passes by without even realizing that, it has been 4 days.
This program is different from your typical motivation programs, as it involves a lot of practical steps and strategies that you can immediately implement into your daily business, and it will definitely help you to scale your business to another level.
He really offers a lot in the entire course.
He definitely exceeded my expectation in delivering some of the very, very useful and practical tips. So even for the veterans, right, they could still pick up quite a number of applicable tips that they can actually apply to their business right off the start. And it's actually delivered in such a way whereby it helps you with the implementation rather than just on a theoretical basis.
I would say, if you are in sales, or even if you're building a team, which you want to bring them into another level, this program is highly recommended for you.
Definitely. It was a good 4-day experience that we had, and definitely I would recommend Eugene.
The Mental Rockstar program is built on 8 foundational principles: resilience, optimization, confidence, knowledge, self-leadership, teamwork, action, and results. By applying these 8 principles, I believe that anyone, irrespective of whether they are new in the business or someone who's been there 20, 30 or 40 years, can unleash their highest potential.